Question number 1. Find the volume of the cylinder if height h and radius of base r both are given. Then we will find volume of cylinder by using formula. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, because when we add anything into the cylindrical container, look here, this is cylindrical container. When we add anything or pour anything inside this container, cylindrical container, then that settles or occupies, that material occupies this base, and base of this cylinder is a circle or circular, and the area of circle is pi r square. And when we add anything or pour anything, then height increases. So here h, this way this formula is formed, pi r square h. Have you got this? Therefore, what is volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now first example, radius is given 10.5 centimeter and height is given 8 centimeter. With the help of this we will find volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now here formula pi r square h, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is equal to 22/7 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 8. Now here 10.5 is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Then 10 minus 7, 3, 3, 5, 35. Here decimal point, 7 5. Okay. Now here after this, volume of cylinder is equal to, we multiply here cancel this, then multiplication, look here, 22 into 10.5 into 15 8s are 120, okay, 121 decimal point means 12. Okay. Now here we do multiplication of these two, 10.5 into 12. Look here, 12 5s are 60. Then this 0, so we write 0 plus 6 means 6. 12 ones are 12. How many decimal places here? Now this cancelled, so decimal point means 126.0. Okay, then multiply here by 22. 126 into 22. 22 6 132. 22 2s are 44. 44 and 13. Okay, that is 57, carry 5, 22 ones are 22 and 5 means 27, means 2772 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. Second example we have given here, r is equal to 2.5 meter and h is equal to 7 meter. Then volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to value of pi 22/7 into 2.5 into 2.5 into 7. Means these are the values of, means r into r square, and this is h. Now here this 7 numerator here 7 and denominator this cancelled. Have you got this? Now here after this we write here 22 into 25 into 25 625 two decimal places, so we write here decimal point. Okay, then product of these two, 22 5s are 110, carry 11, 22 2s are 44 44 and 55, carry 5, 22 6s are 132 and 5 137, two decimal places. Now here meter means radius is in meter and height is in meter, means meter into meter into meter means meter cube, means what is the answer? 137.5. don't write 0, meter cube. This is our answer. Third one, we have given here radius r is equal to 4.2 centimeter and height h is equal to 5 centimeter. Then volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is our formula. We put here values, 22 upon 7 into radius 4.2 into 4.2 into height 5. Now here 7 ones are 7 and 7 6s are 42. But here 4 is smaller than 7, so we write here 0.6. Okay, then here 22 into 4.2 this into 6 5s are 30, so we put here decimal point, only one decimal place, so point here 3.0. Then we multiply here these two. Okay, then what is 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are, now cancel this. Okay, 3 2s are 6, point 3 4s are 12, then into 22 means product of these two, 12.6 into 22. Okay, then 22 6s are 132, carry 13, 22 2s are 44 and 13 57. Okay, 22 ones are 22 and 5. Our answer is 277.2, because here single decimal place. Here fourth example, radius r is equal to 5.6 centimeter, height 5 centimeter. Then we will find volume of a given cylinder. Okay, now we put here values. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now we put here values. What is value of pi? 22 upon 7 into radius 5.6 into 5.6 into h 5. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 8s are 56. Therefore here 22 into 5.6 into 8 5s are 40, no, and one decimal place means 4. Okay, therefore 22 into 56 4s or 4 6s are 24, 4 5s are 20 and 22. Okay, this cancelled. Okay, how many decimal places? Only one, means 22.4 into 22. Now multiplication 22.4 into 22. Therefore, 22 fours are 88, carry 8. Okay, then 22 twos are 44, 44 and 8 means 52. 22 twos are 44, 44 and 49. 5 na? And there. So single decimal place. So here single decimal place means 492.8 centimeter cube. Unit is centimeter. So centimeter cube. This is your answer. Final answer, volume of the cylinder is equal to 492.8 centimeter cube. Question number 4. Find the volume of the cylinder if the circumference of the base of cylinder is 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. Now here look this. This is suppose cylinder or cylindrical container. Okay. Now the base of cylindrical container or cylinder that is circular. And we have given the circumference of the base of the cylinder. Circumference of the base of the cylinder. Now circumference of base of the cylinder is equal to means C is equal to 2 pi r. Now we have given value of circumference that is 132 is equal to 2 into value of pi 22 upon 7. We don't know radius. So we will write as it is r. So we take these 2, 22 and 7 to the left side. But I will write here to the right side. R is equal to, we keep as it is. And we take these 3 numbers to the left side. Is equal to, R is equal to 132 into 7. This denominator 7 goes here, left side, then becomes numerator. And these 2 numerators becomes denominator. Means 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Therefore, R is equal to, look here, 22 ones are 22, 22 6s are 132, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, R is equal to 3 into 7 means 21 centimeter. R is equal to 21 centimeter means this radius R is equal to 21 centimeter and height is given 25 centimeter and we have got value of radius R is equal to 21 centimeter. Have you got this up to this? Now with the help of this radius and height, we will find out the volume of that cylindrical container or cylinder. This formula, the circumference of base of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r. Then we put values. Then we get here value of r. R is equal to 21 centimeter. With the help of radius and height, we will find out volume of cylinder. Now, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is formula. Then we put values 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 into 25. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Therefore, 22 into 21, 22 ones are 22, carry 2. 22 twos are 44, 44 plus 2, 46 into 25 threes are 75 centimeter cube. This is volume. No? Now here 75 into 462. 75 twos are 150. Carry 15. Okay. 75 6 are 450. 450 plus 15 means 465. Then carry 46. 75 4 300, 346. Have you got this? Means 34,650 centimeter cube is the volume of that container, cylindrical container. Volume of the cylinder pi is equal to pi r square h. Then we substitute values. 7 threes are here. Then multiplication. Okay. Here 22 into 21 and then 3 into 25. Then we get here total that volume of that cylindrical container is equal to 34,650 centimeter cube. Now question number 3. How much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter? Okay, and its a depth. Depth means height. Height of the tank is 0.7 meter. Depth means here height. Diameter d. Okay, then first we write interior diameter. Interior diameter of the tank d is equal to 1.6 meter. Now formula for diameter is 2r. D is equal to 2r. Therefore, we write 2r is equal to 1.6 meter. Now we take this 2 to the right side. Then becomes divisor here. Look here. R is equal to 1.6 upon 2. Then 2 8 means 0.8. That is meter. Okay, means radius is equal to 0.8 meter. Now we want to find out the tank can hold how much water, so we convert meter into centimeter. Therefore, we write here, look here. Now radius r is equal to 0.8 meter. Now this meter we convert into centimeter by multiplying to this by 100 centimeter. Therefore, r is equal to 0.8 into 100 centimeter is equal to 8 into 100 means 800. How many decimal places? 1. So we give here a decimal point means 80.0. So simply we write 80 centimeter. Then depth means height. H. H is equal to 0.7 meter. Now this also meter we convert into centimeter. Therefore we write here H is equal to 0.7 meter is equal to 0.7 into 100 centimeter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Okay, therefore H is equal to, therefore this H is equal to 0.7 into 100, means 7 into 100 means 700. Okay, and 1 decimal point means H is equal to 70 centimeter. Okay, look here, H is equal to 70 centimeter. Now we know that 1 liter is equal to, what is the volume? 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, now here directly we will find water in the tank. Water in the tank. For that formula, see here, water in the tank in liter is equal to volume of water upon 1000 centimeter cube per liter. Now this per liter comes here afterwards. Okay, therefore now water in tank is equal to volume of water, formula pi r square h, because that is cylindrical, upon this 1000 centimeter cube per liter. Now we put values of this. Now here, look here. Now water in a tank is equal to 22 upon 7 into 80 into 80 into 70 upon 1000, and liter comes here. Therefore, now look here, we cancel here 0, 0, 0, 0, means this 3 zeros. Okay, and this 7, this and this cancelled. Therefore, water in tank is equal to, now this 22 into 8 into 8. Okay, now 22 into, here 8 into 8, 64. Therefore 22 for the 88, carry 8. 22 6 the 132. 132 and 8 means 140. That is in liter, means the tank can hold 1408 liter of water. Question number 2. How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter? When we say length of the rod, then that length is height. Okay, centimeter, 90 centimeter. Now here, and diameter of that rod is given 1.4 centimeter. Now diameter D is equal to 2r, means 2 times radius. Okay, therefore we know diameter 1.4 centimeter is equal to 2r. Now we take this 2 to the left side. Okay, then that becomes r is equal to 1.4 upon 2. This 2 goes to left side, becomes denominator. 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. But here 1.4, so we write here 0.7 centimeter. Radius is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Have you got this? How much iron is needed to make a rod? Means we will find volume of the cylindrical rod. Therefore, now here first we write given length of the rod. I told you earlier that is H, not L. H is equal to 90 centimeter. Diameter D is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Then we convert this diameter into radius. Okay, so we take this 2 to the right side and then we will find radius. Okay, now I told that by using this height and radius r is equal to 0.7 centimeter, we will find volume of the cylindrical rod, means the iron required to make that particular iron rod. Here, volume of rod is equal to pi r square h. Therefore, volume of rod is equal to 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 into 90. These are values of pi r square, that is r into r, and height. Okay, then we divide here. 7 ones are 7 and this 0.7. So 7 ones are 7, but here 0.1. Okay, 7 ones are 7. Therefore, here now multiplication. Look here. 22 into 0.1. First 22 on the 22. How many decimal places? 1. So 2.2 into 0.7 into 90. 9 sevens are 63 and this 0. Okay, means 90 into 7. 630. How many decimal places here? 1. So here, okay, means 63.0. Okay, now forget this 0 because that is 0, so forget it. Now 22 3s are 66, carry 6. 22 6s are 132 and 6 138. How many decimal places? 1. 138.6. When we take this 0, then that is here. Okay, centimeter cube. When we take this 0, 63.0, then we write this way. Otherwise, 138.6 centimeter cube means iron required to make the rod, iron rod. 138.60 centimeter cube of iron is required to make the rod.